Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have a special dish for you, homemade tacos. It is easy to make, so let's start. First, heat up some oil in a pan. We will add chopped onion to it and saute them until they turn a golden brown color. While the onions are cooking, let's prepare our filling. Take two medium-sized potatoes and mash them until they are nicely and smooth. To enhance the flavor, we will add oregano, chili flakes, some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and a dash of salt. Mix everything together, ensuring that the flavors are well incorporated into the potatoes. Now it's time to work with the dough. Take a small portion and roll into a round shape. Cook it lightly on a griddle. Be careful not to overcook it. Spread a layer of your favorite sauce on the tortilla. Add some mozzarella cheese on the top. And then add mashed potato mixture. Add mashed potato mixture that we prepared earlier. Now fold it to form a taco shape. In a pan, melt some butter or heat oil over low heat. Place the filled tacos in a pan. Ensure that they have enough space to cook evenly. Cook them on low heat until they turns into golden brown color. Make sure to flip them to cook both sides perfectly. This slow cooking process will ensure that the tacos are crispy and golden. Now our tacos are ready. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delicious recipes, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you to join me in this cooking adventure, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!